Hello children, good morning. I think you have done homework, whatever I have given you in the last class. After that, what I taught you in the last class children? I have completed the lesson, that is Abhita saves the summer vacation, right? Before going to the exercise, in the next class I am going to send the PDF of that class children, okay? That exercise, regarding exercise I am going to send a PDF, okay? Next, before that children, let me read a complete lesson one time. After that I am going to explain the exercise in a textbook, okay? As I am going to say you children, in every classes while you are sitting for video watching the videos, you have to sit with the textbook, okay? Take out your textbook, in that page number 32 you have to open. I think everybody have opened the textbook. Start to read it, okay? See which line I am going to read now, you have to keep a finger on that line, okay? First one, lesson number 4, Abhita saves the summer vacation, okay? There was a small cottage in a village. Everyone said that the cottage was haunted. Villagers said that they had often heard someone call loudly, "Come inside," but no one had a day to go inside the cottage. During Abhita's summer vacation, she liked to play in the park near cottage. Her friends were scared of the cottage and did not like to play there. This ghost is spoiling my summer vacation. I must do something about it. Abhita decided to go and walk to the ghost. She picked up a stick, took the key prepared by her mother, and walked towards the cottage. When she reached the door of the cottage, she was surprised to see that the door was already opened. She went inside, everything was covered in the dust. There were spider webs on the walls and rats running across the floor. Abhita felt as if somebody was walking behind her. When she turned around, there was nobody there. Suddenly, she heard a voice say, "Go away, this is my cottage." A strange-looking ghost came out from the dark. He was very tall and thin. Okay, I know that this is your cottage, sir. I have come here to give you some kheer. Kheer, I love kheer. Please give me some one. Abhita smiled and gave him the box. The ghost gobbled the kheer in one gulp. Abhita started to laugh. The ghost smiled to see little girl laughing. "Why do you live alone in this cottage? You can come and play with us. We are not our summer vacation." Okay, we are on our summer vacation. I would love to come and play with you. Nobody ever comes in here to play with me day and night. I keep calling people some to come inside. Abhita could not stop laughing all these years. The ghost was calling people to come and play with him, and the people thought that he was scary. "Don't call people with a scary ghost voice," Abhita told him. "Call them politely and everyone will come and play with you." The ghost promised to talk politely. The villagers came to visit the ghost. The even cleaned his house, gave him new clothes, and brought food for him. The ghost in return took care of the houses at night and made sure that thieves stayed away from the village. Okay, this is the lesson children which just I have read it one, that is the Abhita saves the summer vacation. Okay, before going to the exercise, let me summarize it one. What it is? Abhita is a small little girl. Okay, she used to enjoy the holidays. Okay, where she wished to go in a holiday children, for there was a cottage near their village. She used to play there. Okay, but she had a fear. Somebody had kept a fear in her mind that there is a ghost, like that. Okay, to avoid that blind belief, okay, she became a very daring. She went to the ghost near the cottage. Okay, with the help by taking a key with her hand. Suddenly she went inside the house. Okay, after that when she is moving front, that she what? She found a shadow which somebody is coming behind her. Okay, that one tall man coming behind her. Suddenly, as she captured his mind by giving the key in his hand, right? ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಅವನನ್ನ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ಲು ಎದರಿಂದ, ಬೈ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಕೀರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವನೇನು ಗೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಗಲ್ಪ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸಿಪ್ಪೊಳಗೆ ಪಟಕ್ಕನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಕುಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪೊಲೈಟ್ಲಿ, ನೀನು ಪೊಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕರೆದು ಆಟ ಆಡು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದವಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. From that day, the every villagers used to go for the cottage and they also used to play with the ghosts, right children? That her dare made her some changes in a village. This is a small summary regarding the lesson. Okay, now shall we start with the exercise children? This question answers I am going to give you in a PDF. Okay, then whatever I am going to tell you now, you have to write in a textbook. First one, vocabulary. Read the sentences below. They have given here some sentences. Let us read it. Kelly was unknown in school for her politeness. Okay, politeness children. In the above sentence, the word politeness refer a state of being polite. Okay, politeness means what children? She is very karunamayi. Okay, onthara samadhana, right? Polite plus ness ಅನ್ನೋ ಕೂಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, politeness. Okay, it's a suffix. Okay, replace the, when the suffix ness is added to a root word ending with the ay, is replaced with an I. See here children. Happy plus any double s. Happy, it's a one word, right? Any double s, it's a suffix. When we keep this suffix to this word, that I will goes children. I will goes and what comes there? I come. Why hogutte? I barutte. Okay. See here. Happiness is HAPPINESS. Okay. It's a happiness. Like that. Loneliness. Here. Lonely. LONELY. NESS. Right? Loneliness. LONELLINESS. Loneliness. LONELINESS. It's a loneliness. Okay. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y remove ಆಗಿದೆ, I ಬಂದಿದೆ. Here also y removed there, I comes. Okay. See here. Killy's friendship with the Grace is very strong. In the above sentence, the word friendship refers to a state of being friends. See here. Killy friendship is a Grace very strong. They told about their friendship. Okay, how is their friendship children? Very strong. Friend plus ship, friendship. Okay, NESS and SHIP, these are all the suffixes which we join with the word. Okay, see here children, some sentence they have given here. The suffixes ness and ship are added to the end of the words to make a nouns. See here, NESS, SHIP, these two are the suffixes. If we add these to a word, that will become what children? Noun. Okay, so here, fill in the blanks by related to this example. This is sentences or a statement. They have given here some examples. Now you have to write these all the examples in a textbook. Okay, textbook ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡಿಗೂ ಐ ಹೋಗಿ NES ಎಲ್ಲ NES ಡಬಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? some words are there, for that words it will come. Okay, fill in the blanks by adding either NESS or SHIP. NESS or SHIP. NESS and SHIP, these two are what children? Suffixes. Okay, we have to add these two suffixes for the words whatever they have given there, wherever it is suitable. Okay, see, everything was in dark. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಾರ್ಕ್, ಮೆಂಬರು, ಸ್ವೀಟು, ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೆಂಬರ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್. Okay, next second one, sweet, sweetness, sweetship agala, sweetness. See children, how I get that ship and any rebel suddenly? Why? Because I have read some dictionary, I have read so many textbooks, then only I got an idea which suffixes is suitable for this word. Like this children, you have to go through with the textbook, whatever it may be, whichever it may be. It may be 8th standard or 12th standard. Just you may know, I don't know whether you are able to read it not, but just you have to read with, see the words with your eyes. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ನೆಸ್, ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್, ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್, ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್. Championship. Okay, next I was dazzled by bright, brightness, brightship agala, brightness. Brightness. Okay, membership, sweetness, championship and brightness. Next we move on to the possession, has and have. Has and have ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. See here children, I am not going to explain about this grammar part very longly. Okay, ಬಹಳ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Why? Because you have a separate class for the grammar section children. Okay, just I am going to a short information regarding the grammar whichever they have given at the end of the each lesson. Okay, possession, has and have. For test also I am not giving you any grammar part. Okay, there is a separate test for that grammar. Okay, read the following sentences. Bruno has a bone, Percy and Emily have a book. When something belongs to someone, has or have is used. See here children, when something belongs to someone andre ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, take an example of import. It belongs to me ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are using it's me, it belongs to me. To say this in English we are using some possessions here. What that has and have. Okay, has, where we are using has ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, he, she, it and a singular noun. he, she, it ಇದ್ರೆ, singular nouns ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, has ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, see here, wait children, has and have. Has, have. Has ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. Have ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. Okay, singular means bird, plural birds, like that. After that something with some pronouns. Okay, what are the pronouns? He, she, it, he, she, it ಇದ್ರೆ has ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I, we, you. I, we, you, they. If these pronouns come, we are going to use the have there. Okay, related to this they have given some fill in the blanks there. We have choose the correct pronouns and write there. Okay, has ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, if it is a singular, in that time you are going to use the has. If it is a plural, we are at that time you are going to use the have. Okay, turn that page children, page number 38. Okay, rewrite these sentences below using has or have. They have given there one small sentences. We have to make it rewrite with the help of pronouns that has and have. Okay, see here. her dog is small. She has a small dog. Okay. She annodenu. It's a single. Okay. It's a pronoun, right? Then that she, where in the she, he, it, which we are using there, children? Has. Okay. Then in she bandide, so they have used has. Okay. Next, he is ide. He is ide ನಾವು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? has ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Their hats have. Why? Because it's a plural. Okay. Our dresses. Dresses. It's a plural, so we have to use a have. Okay. Write that one. First one, her dog. That they have done. Second one, I am going to write, children. He has a red book. He has a red book. Okay. Next, C. Their hats are black. They have black hats. They have black hats. Okay. There is a plural, then black hats also plural. Okay. Next, D. Our dresses means we have pink dresses. Pink dresses. Write this one. We have pink dresses. Okay, it's the first one in a page number 38. Okay, next. Write this one in textbook, children. I am going to give you 2 minutes time. I think you have written this one. Next, fill in the blanks with a has or have. They, if they, we have to use a have. We have. She has. He, she, it bandre has. They, next to I, we, you bandre have. Okay. Write that one. Second main also. I am going to write direct answers to that. Second main. Second main. First one, they have. A, have. B, we have. C, she has. D, has. E, you have. Okay. You have. Look at your textbook, children. Has ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? He, she, it ಮತ್ತೆ singular nouns ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ. Okay. Then have, I, we, you, they. Then plural nouns ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ. Okay. Next, I think you have written this one. Now look at the first means here. Read the passage below and replace the underlined nouns with the personal nouns. Rewrite passage in the space provided. See here, children. One sentence irutte. Okay. Personal nouns antandre eno? Pronouns. Okay. See here, Sarha lived in a little cottage. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಹರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ರಾಮನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ರಾಮನು ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ರಾಮನಿಗೆ ಹಸಿವು ಆಗಿದೆ. ರಾಮನ ತಾಯಿಯು ಏನು ಊಟವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ರಾಮ 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 ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಮೆಥಡ್ of using that noun again and again. Instead of that noun we are using the he, she, it, right? That only they have written here, children. whatever they have repeated there, instead of that repeated word which we have to use. Okay, that only they have given here. Sarha lived in a little cottage. Again Sarha, instead of Sarha which I have to use it. If we are thinking a she, we have to write the she. If we are thinking a he, we have to write the he. Okay, Sarha is, I think it's a name of a girl. Okay, she had a very good friend. In the first line they have underlined one word children, that is she, you have to use it. ಏನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Sarha. Instead of that you have to use she. Okay, in the first line. Second line, Teddy lived in the next door. Okay, sorry. She had a very good friend called Teddy. Teddy lived in the next door to Sarah. It was a good footballer. Teddy, her friend name means he was a good footballer, or she was a good footballer. Here also he, we have Sarha. Here also he children. But I think both are boys. Okay. Sarha and Teddy was always played a football together. Teddy had a bicycle. The bicycle was red. Instead of the bicycle which I have to use it was red. Okay, I think it was red. Okay, next. And it had a basket at the back. And it had basket at the back. Okay, Sarha and Teddy went to the school together. Both sat beside each other. Okay, instead of using their Sarha and Teddy, you have to use their both. Okay, both sat each other. These small corrections you have to make in a textbook children. Okay. Finish. Sarha again, Teddy I think, then it was a red, means bicycle, about bicycle we are telling here children. Here also about bicycle, then here both Sarha and Teddy. Okay, shall I rub it? Next, see here children, if you are not written it well, you have to pause the video and write all the thing. Okay, next, complete each sentences. Sorry, my ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಇದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೆದಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಮೈ, ಅವರ್ಸ್, ಯುವರ್ಸ್, his, hers, theirs are possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are not followed by a noun. Okay, these dolls are mine. These are mine dolls. Okay, see children, possessive pronouns ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ she ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು possessive pronoun hers. I ಇರುತ್ತೆ mine. We ಇರುತ್ತೆ ours. Okay, ಇದು ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ that we call as a possessive pronouns. Okay, complete the each sentences using the correct possessive pronouns. The pencil belongs to the boy. Boy means he. It is his. Okay, here right. His. It's a A. B. I play with my ball. It is. I idage which possessive pronouns you are using children? Mine. Okay. I, mine. Next. We made this a hut. It is we. Ours. Namdu. Okay. Ours. Next D. Denny painted this picture. It is his. Denny is the name of a boy, right? Next E. The kites belong to my brothers. Andre now. These are ours. Okay. Related to this, they have given here some sentences children. Write 3 sentences using a possessive pronouns in each one. Okay, possessive pronouns ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Shall I start children? Write this one in your textbook first. His, mine, ours, his, ours. Page number 39. Okay, page number 39. In that third main, shall I repeat? Look at third main. As I said, you write the 3 sentences by using the possessive pronouns. Okay, I won these cards, these are mine. I won these cards. These are mine. Okay, next. He bought this toy. He bought this toy. This toy is his. This toy is his. Okay. Next. She bakes cookies. She bakes cookies. These cookies are hers. Okay, see here children, instead of I have used a mine possessive noun. Okay, possessive pronoun, right? Next, he, his, she, hers. Okay, write this one in your textbook children. This is regarding the lesson Abhita saves the holiday. Okay, next here children, next 2 pages are there. That 2 pages are regarding to the related to the what? CD. Okay, when you come to school children, I am going to make you to see that CD and afterwards I am going to complete this page. Okay, next, page number 41. Imagine you are Abhita. After you have become friends with a ghost, he plays with you and your family, your friends. Write about the things you do together during your vacation. Use ideas to help you. See children, some ideas they have given here. We have to use that idea and write one note on that. Okay, it's for you. Next, summer break and at Granny's place. I am going to continue this one in the next class. Okay, I hope everybody have understood the class. I think you have written this one. What homework I am going to give you today children? Write meanings of lesson number 1 and 2. Okay, write meanings, write and learn the meanings of lesson number 1 and 2 in a ESW. What meanings children? Lost and found. E lesson the meanings nanu kottidini. Okay, then summer camp also I have given you. You have to write that meanings. Put the first way meanings of lesson 1 and 2, headline, write and meanings. Okay, write and learn meanings of lesson number 1 and 2 in EHW. Okay, it's a homework. I hope everybody have understood the class and also the homework children. I think you are very good children. You will do the homework regularly at the home. Okay, then I have completed the lesson Abhita saves the holiday children. Okay, I am going to continue with the next lesson in the next class. Okay, thank you for watching my video children. Please don't forget to see the videos and don't forget to do the homework. Okay, meet you in the next class. Thank you.